Chalo, sir. So again, very good evening to everyone, and welcome to Oliveboard. So here we are with the live mock analysis for this week. So sorry I couldn't take the class last week. So this week I'm back with the live mock analysis. So we'll quickly, as always, breeze through the solutions. Okay. Now, with that being said, so first question right in front of you, this one. The line mx plus c, y equal to mx plus c passes through this point 27, slope is given. Sir, slope means this is the value of m given. 27 means this is x and y given. They are asking you to find c. It's very simple. Y you put 7, m is 3. I don't know, for some weird reason there was an issue in the network. I guess now it's fine, na? Everyone, now it's fine. Yes, now it seems fine. There was an issue in the network for a second. Achha, chalo. So 170 is the answer for this question. Moving on. Next one, sir. Find the compound interest 15,000, 12% per annum. 1 year half yearly compounding. Achha, half yearly compounding 12%, meaning every compounding 6%. So two compoundings will be there in 1 year. So how much total interest? So 6 plus 6, 12 plus 6 square, 36 by 100. So meaning 12.36%. Again, you guys should know this by now, right? Each and every one of you, I'm assuming you have cleared tier 1. So this is simple AB theorem I have applied just to get the effective rate of interest. Now 12.36% of what? Of principals. 15,000 ka 12.36%. Achha, just the interest I need to calculate. You see, I don't need to calculate if you look at the options. 15 12s are 180. So meaning 1800, just greater than 1800 rupees will be my answer. Look at the options. There is only one option which is greater than 1800 rupees. I don't need to calculate this difficult calculation. Using common sense, I can say I'm 200% certain this is my correct answer. Done, everyone? Done, sir? Chalo. Next one then. Next one. Achha, they have given you some expenditure. If the monthly savings, savings is not given, is 25% of the total salary. Spends 4,500 rupees on shopping, find the annual salary. Okay, sir, got it. You see, 4,500 is shopping. Shopping means 72 degrees. 72 degrees represent what? This represents 4,500. So 4,500 rupees represents 72 degree. So total expenditure will be the total 360 degree. This whole pie chart, because this is a pie chart of the monthly expenditure. Again, they are not asking expenditure. Now the expenditure is 25% of the salary. So this thing is only 25% of the salary. So total salary will be 100%. This is monthly, sir. They are asking annual salary. Annual salary will be into 12. That's your answer. Directly, chalo calculate. 36, 72 fives are this. Acha, 5 fives are this. 520s are this. Right? 4,500 into 240, sir. So this is going to be your answer. 45 into 24, 3 zeros. Acha, I have to go this. 45 into 24 into, there are 1 2 3 zeros. 45 into 24. 24 into 5, that is 120. 24 into 5. So 50 will be 1200. minus 120, sir. This is 80. This is 10. 1080. Am I missing something? Am I missing something? Ek second. Have I messed up something? Hey, I might have made a calculation error somewhere. Ruko. Shopping 72 degrees, which is 40 is 500 rupees. 4,500 rupees is 72 degrees. 360 degree is the monthly expenditure. Okay, into. So this is 25% only. Monthly salary is 100% into 12 only, na? 25 fours, this is 5. Same thing only I'm getting 5 fours are 20. 20 into this 240 into 4500. 45 into 24 into 1000. 45 into 20, 9900. And 45 into 9180, sir. 1080 only I'm getting. This is what I'm getting, sir. So there is some issue in the options, I guess. Only thing that is divisible 2.16. Ek second. 72 out of 360, same thing. Nope. There is some issue. There is some issue in this question. Calculation wise, there is some issue. It cannot be this. It cannot be this. Food, entertainment, rent, shopping, others. Only the expenditure has been given. Only the expenditure has been given. They have done 100x, 25%, 75x. Of that, they have taken. I am not getting it. But again, I should get the same thing. No, there is some issue. There is some issue in the question. We have done it twice. Both the times, I got the same answer. Ek second. Ek second. I might have messed up one simple thing. Ruko, sir. Same thing. 4,500 rupees, 72 degrees, 360 is total. This is expenditure. Now, why I'm writing 25? 25% is the savings. So expenditure is 75%. Now, I messed up. This is 25 I was writing. My mistake, everyone. This is my mistake. Completely my mistake. 100 by 75. 100 by 25 I was writing. Into 12 for annual. So whatever I got into 3, you just do. You just do into 3. Arey yaar. This is 4. 3 fours are this. 72 fives are this. 5 fours are 20. Fours are 80. 4,500 into, sir, 80. So 4,500 into 80. So 4,500. Acha, if I do this, 45 into 2 is 90. 90 into 4, 360. And so there will be 1, 2, 3 zeros. So definitely, no, the question is not wrong. I was doing incorrect. 3.6 is the answer. My mistake. My mistake. Sorry. Extremely sorry. I have made a very simple, I don't know why, very simple, very common mistake. Chalo. Sorry. Chalo, let's move on to the next one. PQRS, PRS plus QS are given. PRS, this angle, QS are this angle given. Bisector, these are PTQRS, sir. This angle is equal to sum of these two angles. If this is X, this is Y, This is x plus y divided by 2, sir. X plus y value is given as 232. So it will be 116 degrees, sir. You don't need, sir. Option B is the answer. It is a very simple property. Each and every one should know this, right? If you have already cleared tier 1, you must know this, sir. You must. Chalo, next one. The ratio of the length of two cuboids given, cuboids width given, volumes given. Achha, sir. Sir, volume. Sir, length L1 into breadth 1 into H1. L2 into B2 into H2. Sir, volume 1 by volume 2. Volume ratio is given. Sir, ratio of the volumes B to A. B is 11, that is neat. This one and this is 15. Okay. Achha. A to B 5 by 6. A to B is 5 by 6. So this is 5, this is 6. I can write directly. This is 5, this is 6. Now again, width is A to B 2 ratio 1. So this is gone. So this is 2, this is 1. So they are asking H1 by H2. Not really, they have given you values. No worries. 5 3s are this. So H1 by H2. 6 3s are 18. Divided by, sir, 6 3s are 18 by 22. Achha, I can cancel this as well. I can cancel this as well. So 3 3s are 9 divided by, sir, 11. Now they have given you something. Now they have given you height of H, meaning H1, height of cuboid A is 27. Meaning this 9 part is equal to 27 centimeter into 3. So this will be what? Again, this will also be into 3. So this is going to be 33 centimeters, which is your correct answer. Option number C, sir. Option number C. Yes, Kishan, right? Good evening. Not a very difficult question. Not a very difficult question. Chalo, moving on. Chalo. Let's move on, sir. Next one. Alternate day, as I can see. X alone 16 days, Y alone 24 days. Sir, time ratios 2 ratio 3. So efficiency ratio X is to Y will be 3 is to 2, sir. So total work will be how much? Let's take X can do 3 units a day, taking 16 days. So 48 units is the total work. Done. They work on alternate days starting with Y. So the order of work is Y, then X, then Y, then X, then Y, then X, then Y, then X, and so on. Now, I need to take packets, as I told you guys multiple times. Sir, packets you take, sir. So every packet should be identical. You see YX. Each packet is of 2 days. And they are working how much in every packet? Y is completing 2 units, X 3 units. Total 5 units is getting completed in every packet. How much work I need to do? I don't need to do the whole 48 units. I need to do 50%, meaning I need to do 24 units. So tell me, how many packets should I take, sir? So either you make like figure out CP from here, or you convert using 25% profit, you convert SP here. You convert either you convert this to CP, or you convert these two to SPs. Both works. But again, it's much better to do this. Kishan, like there is, I don't know, some problem I'm facing with my laptop. Whenever I'm streaming, it's sometimes for a second it is buffering. It is already better. I have to like show it to somebody. Okay, so just you see, it's already better. Just for a second it happened. It just getting stuck. I can see the video also getting stuck here only. Okay, you see, maybe you face this for just a second. Then again, it's running normally. Acha. Right? So again, it makes much more sense if I just change this. So again, let's do this. Let's figure out CP from here. 56.25 represents what, sir? 25% profit, meaning this is 125 SP, CP is 100. This is 4, this is 5. Just calculate, sir. 5. अच्छा normal कर लेते. So let's do one thing. Let us not do this, sir. Let us not do this. Okay. Sir, 5. 11s are 55. 11s are 55. 12. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are this. 11.25 into 4, meaning, sir, 44 and 1, that is 45. This is the CP of the selling. Selling, like after mixture, CP is this. So I can figure out ratio using allegation. 41, 52 and the CP is this. Now we will just use allegation, sir. 41, 45, this is 4, this is, sir, 7. So the ratio must be 7:4, which is option number B, sir. Which is option number B. Perfect. Perfect, everyone. Chal. Next one. Achha. Company manufactured two types. Okay. 35, this. Achha. Either you can use weighted average or you can use normal calculation, because it's not a very difficult one. You can simply do this. Headphones manufactured total 2800. I don't think I need it, because I don't think we'll need this value. For the time being, keep it. 35% are wired and rest are wireless. Sir, wired headphones, wireless headphones. This might be a dummy value. 35%, na? So I'm taking 35 wired headphones. So remaining 65 will be wireless headphones. I'm just assuming they have manufactured only 100 headphones. Now, 80%, 4/5. Acha, 90% hai na? So let's do one thing. As we are taking the values, let's multiply this by 2, because the second percentage calculation will be a little easier here. So I'm taking, they have manufactured 70 wired headphones and 130 wireless headphones. Okay. Just doing this so that my calculation is better, nothing else. Now 4/5 of this are working. So they are asking which are not working. So how many? 80% works, meaning 20% doesn't work. 20% means 1/5. 1/5 meaning 14. 1/5 of 70. Similarly, sir, over here, 90% working, meaning 10% doesn't work, meaning 13 doesn't work, sir. So total 14 and 13, 27 headphones are not working, sir. Out of how many? Because I need percentage. Out of how many, sir? Again, don't take 2800. I have taken this 70 and 130, meaning 2800, like 200, sir. Out of 200, this doesn't work. So percentage will be 13.5%. So this is my answer, 13.5%, which you can see is there in option number 1 itself. This is a better, you see, so this was my dummy data, no requirement. If you had taken 2800, the calculation would have been much bigger, much bigger. Clear, sir? Clear? Absolutely clear, sir. Chal. Again, median they are asking. Again, a very simple question. Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need 8. Meaning median will be between 4th and 5th. Sir, I'm ascending order. I'm arranging. First, second, third, 4th, and 5th. Sir, median 16th and 17th. In between is 16.5. Option number A, sir. Again, you see, no need of calculation. No need of calculation. You do not need pen paper to answer this. Next one. Certain item profit is 150. Okay. So certain item CP is 100 rupees. Profit is 150%. So SP, acha, so profit is 150. Now CP increased by 25%. So it becomes 125. New profit margin will be what? Acha, new profit, acha, that means profit 150, meaning initially SP was 250. Now SP has remained the same. So that means new profit is how much? New profit is 125. So 125 rupees, we are getting the same profit, meaning 100% profit, sir. Meaning the profit percentage is 100% because 125 is 100% of itself. So you can say simple calculation, 100% is the answer. It's very simple again. Very, very, very simple. ये क्या है sir? 112, 16 sevens, 7 cube, 7 nines. Sir, natural number will be the answer. Again, you see, no need to calculate. Why? You see, from here, I will get 16, 7 means it will have root 7 something. It is 7 cube, meaning 7 root 7. 7 nines, 9 means 3 will come outside, there will be a root 7. 7 fours, again there will be a root 7. So everything will come outside, root 7 and root 7 will cancel, meaning there will not be any third, right? And definitely I can see this first number is greater than the second number. So there is no chance of getting a negative as well. So negative cannot be decimal is also there, na? Okay, so I have to check then. Decimal is there, so I have to check. अच्छा रुक जाओ डेसिमल भी तो हो सकता है, I have not checked. 6 16, अच्छा this is 16 into 7, 16 meaning 4, 24 root 7 sir, minus 7 root 7, this is 9 root 7 meaning 3 root 7. No sir, it will be natural number, minus 2 root 7 this one. So this will be root 7 cancel, 24 minus 17, 3 minus 2 is 1 only. So again, you see, there is no chance of getting a decimal. Irrational number, not, sir, natural, like natural number only. The only possibility that we will get a natural number. Okay? So my instinct was correct. Chalo. Next one, sir. Achha. 7140, sir, it's a variation, like normal proportion question. By x, 8670 by 17. Sir, 0, 0 gone. Calculate. 17 से जाएगा? Yes, sir. 5 17s are 85, 1s are this. Again 17 3s. Sir, 3 से पहले कर लो. 3 3 3. 3 2s are 6. Sir, 3 3s are 9. 3 8s are this. 17 1, 17 4s. X is 14, sir. X value is 14. Option number A, sir. You see, it's a very, very, very simple question once again. Again, these were all free hit questions. These were all free hit questions. Choose the incorrect statement. A couple of days back only in my tier 2 practice batch that is currently going on, I did a similar question. One PYQ actually. This question was asked initially, like in one of the shifts. So I'll always remember LCM of two numbers has to be a multiple of their HCF for any number. This happens. So just check LCM to positive 15. So this is my correct answer because they are asking incorrect statement. You see, 160 is not a multiple of like 15. So this cannot be LCM HCF. 12 to 40, yes. 10 180, 100%. 7 210, 100%. They are all true. They can be true. I'm not saying true. They can be true, but this can never be true. But they are asking us to identify the incorrect statement. So this has to be my answer, 100%. Clear, sir? Everyone? A quick yes or no? Moving on. Basic algebra. X square plus 1 by x square is given. X square plus 1 by x square is given. I need to go to cube. I told you there is no way you can directly jump. So you have to go through x plus 1 by x or x minus 1 by x. Again, if in cube they are giving you minus in between, that means you must take x minus 1 by x. You cannot go from x plus 1 by x. For square, you can go like either. So x minus 1 by x from this, how to get this? So if you are taking minus, do the minus over here. 83 minus 2, always 2 is the common, and take a square root, sir. So this is 9. So once you have this, so again this is minus, so opposite sign. So n cube plus opposite sign 3n. So 729 plus 27, 24, 54, 56. 756 will be the answer. Option number D, sir. Option number D is your correct answer. You tell me, was this difficult? Again, very, very, very simple. Very, very, very simple, sir. Perfect. Chalo, 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 chalo. Sir, they're asking the average of 11 consecutive numbers, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Sir, always average meaning that is your middle number. Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is your 21, sir. This is the concept. Again, I'm not asking you to remember anything. Again, why this happens, I explained. One of the demo classes are also here available in this channel. Couple of weeks back only I've taken. You can watch that. There I've explained this. 21. It's the largest number. Or consecutive odd numbers. Meaning next will be 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, sir. My answer. Now, why we have done it like this? Because if they ask you something other than the largest or the smallest number, you can get that as well. You can actually, if you do it like this, you can get any number in this chain. Sometimes they ask you this, what is the difference between the second largest number and the third smallest number? Or difference nahi puchega, they generally will ask you some multiplication, something like that. Because difference, if they ask that, that will be much easier to solve. Okay? Chalo, next one. Chalo. Nishu ordered the food 3 different restaurants A, B, C. Probability that A will deliver on time is this. B, acha sir. This is like that solving a question problem. Again, I've solved this multiple times. I've showed you this. This is a probability question. So there are 3 restaurants, A, B, and C. Sir, they are asking what is the probability that the food will be delivered on time. You see, this can happen in multiple ways. कैसे? मैं दिखाता हूँ. देखो, understand, sir. Everyone, please try to listen to me for a second. Sir, A delivers on time, B and C doesn't. B on time, A and C doesn't. C on time, A and B doesn't. Or A and B on time, C doesn't. Or A or C on time, B doesn't. Or B or C on time, C doesn't. Or all 3 on time. You see, all these situations you need to take probability. But again, if I do it like this, it will be very big. So what I can do? I know total probability is 1 minus, can I say, all 3 restaurants, none of them has like kind of delivered on time. So total probability minus this will give me sum of all these probabilities. So that will be the best way to solve it. So food on time is 0.6. So not on time. Achha, let me just do it like this. If I say their probability is 0.6 on time. So not on time is 0.4 into. For B, 0.7. So not on time is 0.3. For C, this is 0.9. So not on time is this. 1 minus 4 threes are 12. 12 divided by 3 tens, meaning sir 3 zeros. 1 minus 0.012. 0.988 है क्या ऑप्शन में? Sir, option number C is your correct answer. Option number C is your correct answer. Everyone, try to understand this. Try to understand why we are not doing it like this. Why this is a better approach. Because if you do it like this, you have to calculate all these situations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 situations you have to calculate individually. Then you have to add. Whereas here I can just do one situation. Clear everyone? Moving on, sir. Moving on then. Chalo, 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 chalo. Next one, please. Next one, please. Let's quickly do. Two swimmers, Rohan and Mukul, participate in a swimming competition. Steady water. Steady water meaning there is no like stream. Total 100 meter both. Distance is constant. 10 and 8 seconds. Sir. Rohan and Mukul. So time ratio they have given you. Right? 10 seconds Rohan is taking and Mukul is taking 8 seconds, meaning 4 and 5. So speed ratio will be what? If distance is constant, time and speed, they are inversely proportional. So it will be opposite. 4:5, sir. I guess we are done. Find the speed of Mukul is how much percentage more than speed of Rohan, sir. You will say, speed of Mukul is 1 more out of 4, sir, into 100 for percentage. It will give you 25%. Option number B is your correct answer. Option number B is your correct answer. Very, very, very simple. Clear everyone? Today's mock is very simple, very easy. Next one. Melted and converted. Sir, again, meaning volume is constant. Solid cone of radius this. Meaning 1/3. The cuboid meaning pi won't be there, so I have to take pi 22/7 into r square is 150. 150 into 150 into h is 210 is equal to number I don't know n into, so each volume is 20 into 10 into 9. So they are asking find the value of n. Chalo do a calculation. 7 3 21, this is 10. This 10, this 10 cancels. 0 0 cancels. 2, this is 11, sir. 9 meaning 3 and 3. This will be 3 5s are this will be 50. So n will be 250 into 11. 225 into 11, 275. This. Sir, option C is your correct answer. Option C is most definitely your correct answer. Without fail, sir. Without fail, option C is your correct answer. Perfect. 100%. Next one, sir. A ship can travel 152 kilometers in this many hours, takes same time to cover this much upstream. Okay, sir. Downstream speed and upstream speed, take the ratio, better. 152 by 19. So this is 19 8s are 152, meaning downstream speed is 8 kilometers per hour. Right? 19 8s are 152. Upstream speed 95 19 hours. So this is 19 5s at this. This is speed ratio. Time taken by ship to cover 78 kilometers. So downstream speed I know. I don't need ratio actually. I can like simply do it, sir. So still water, meaning the value of x is what? D plus U divided by 2, which is 8 plus 5, 13 divided by 2, sir. So time will be distance by speed, 13 by 2. This is 6. This 2 will go up. Total it will be, sir, 12 hours. That will be your correct answer, option number B. Option number B, 12 hours is definitely your correct answer. Very, very, very simple. Done, 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 done. Chalo, next one. Uday has two geometry boxes, four black, two blue pens. Achha, another contains three black, five blue. One pen is picked from each of the boxes. Okay. Find the probability that both are black. Achha. From the first box, what is the probability that I'll get a black pen? Sir, there are four blacks out of 4 plus 2, total 6 into. My work is not done, that is why multiplication. Because I still have to pick black pen from the second box. Second box mein, sir, 3 black, 5 blue. So I will pick one. So probability of getting black, 3 out of 5 plus 3, 8. So this is my total probability. Calculate, sir, 4 twos, 3 twos. Sir, 1 by 4 is the answer. 1 by 4 is most definitely your correct answer. Done, 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 done. Chalo, next one, sir. ये क्या है? Px square plus 9 minus qx equal to 0 is a perfect square. So there must be some printing mistake here. Printing mistake, sir. Px square plus 9 minus qx is a perfect square. मुझे एक सेकंड सॉल्यूशन देखने दो ना. I might get the idea कि actual what would have been. इधर भी perfect. B square minus equal to 4ac meaning equal roots. ये क्या करके रखा है? नहीं sir, there it is incorrect. Sir, there is some mistake in this question. Okay, mistake है sir इसमें. Mistake है. Perfect square, if you have, please remember, if b square minus 4ac is perfect square, that gives you only one conclusion. That means the roots are rational always. You will 100% get rational roots. But again, how can this equation be perfect square? It's a little weird. Something is wrong here. Okay, so please avoid this question. Next one. Sir, angles of the triangle are in this ratio. So it's very simple. Total is 180. So, and this is 18 parts. So every part is 10. So angles are 50 degree, 60 degree, 70 degree. You see the angles were given. Sir, what type of triangle? 50, 60, 70? Sir, acute angle triangle. You don't need it. It's a 10 seconder. It is a 10 seconder, sir. Perfect. Moving on. Which of the following is correct? So this is incorrect. Cos square plus sine square is always 1. Cosec square 1. Sir, this is also incorrect. 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Okay, sir, this is correct. This is sine 3 theta formula. This is sine 3 theta formula, 3 into 30 degree, which is sine 90 degree, which is definitely equal to 1. So this statement option C is correct, sir. Sine 2 theta, this is also incorrect. This is correct if it was tan theta instead of sine theta on the right hand side. Perfect. Perfect, sir. This was a good question. Next one. So this decimal type question CGL have asked previously. So again, prepare accordingly. Prepare accordingly, everyone. History hai. Sir, 992 this. Acha, again you see. Given there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers, digits. Sir, here the difference is after decimal, 2 places, 3 places, total 5 places. So again, I will have the same number. Only thing, after 5 places, after decimal, there will be 5 places, meaning right hand side has to be, or my answer has to be 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4.52352. It's a very simple answer. Option C, as I can see. Option C, as we all can see. ये 2 लाइन का क्वेश्चन, right? Very, very, very simple. Moving on. Moving on, sir. Shopkeeper offers a cash discount of 85 and 2 successive discounts of this. Marked price is this. Array, sir. 85 cash discount meaning, sir, 85 up, like over and above, you just first subtract. So on 1200, I'll get 2 discounts of this. Sir, what is the net discount? 10 plus 2 minus 20 by 100 actually. So this is 12 minus 0.2, right? So 11.8%. This is the discount you will get effective. So on 1200 rupees, you will get 11.8% discount. So that means almost you do 144, 14 rupees almost discount. I'm not calculating the whole thing, right? Sorry, 14 rupee, why I'm writing. Extremely sorry. 12 into 12 meaning, sir, 144 rupees, 140 rupees almost discount you'll get. 140 rupee discount meaning your answer will be 1060, around that. Your answer will be around 1060. You see, I'm not doing the entire calculation. There is only one option around 1060. You see, I got away with it because 99% of the times I will get away with this. You see, my answer is 100% this one. I just like kind of like saved so much in calculations. Chalo. Each observation divided by this, mean will also be divided by this. Whatever happens, it will always. So plus, minus, multiplication, division. Everything will just carry it forward to mean. What doesn't get carried forward? Remember, squaring, cubing, these things don't get carried forward. But anything, any simple operation like multiplication, addition, division, everything gets carried forward in the mean. Okay? Chalo, next one, sir. Next one, please. Sir, it's a simple question, not a difficult one. 18 squared, 36. Today only, couple of hours back, I've taken a class on this. Sir, sir, I have a formula n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. But the problem, it has to start from 1. Here it is not starting from 1. It's starting from 18. So again, how can I make it start from 1? Sir, I can do this. I can add 1 square plus 2 square till 17 square. I can forcefully add this. So, and till 36 square was there. And I can subtract those things. Whatever I've added forcefully, I have to subtract, sir. So just use the formula twice. So this will be 36 into 37 into 72, 73 by 6 minus 17 into 18 into 34, 35 divided by 6. 6366. अच्छा, take whatever you can take common. Calculation तो बहुत ही गंदा होगा. Answer option. You see the I was thinking I'll use the unit digit method. That avenue is also closed. 3 options are having 1. So 3 I can take common. So it will be 74, meaning 73 into 74 minus. This is going to be 35 into 17. Okay. Can I do anything? Let me just think for a second. Let me just think for a second. Sir, I don't want to do this. Sir, my answer, एक second. So this is going to be an odd number. I don't want to solve this. ठीक है? My goal. Let's see. I am not sure. This is going to be, because this is an odd number minus this is an odd number. This is an odd number. Into 3, odd into odd is odd. So my answer will be an odd number. So option D cannot be. All 3 are odd. Has to be a multiple of 3 as well. 2, 4, 6, 3. So this cannot be the answer, because this is not a multiple of 3. It has to be a multiple of 3, sir. Out of these two, 4, 4, 8, 2, 10. So this is a multiple of 3. Array, sir, this is also a multiple of 3. Okay, but I got stuck. So my answer is B, between B and C. Again, let me see. Anything else, anything else, anything else I can use? रुको सर, थोड़ा सोचने दो. Anything else that I can use? Because last 2 digits is also same, 21. No, I cannot. But again, the gap is significant, 4,000 gap. So I can simply now do the little bit, like I'll do the calculation, not the whole calculation. I'll just mix and match here and there. 3. Now this is 73. I'm taking 73 square. 73 square meaning this is 529. 29. I'm just writing 5. 25 plus 23. That is 48, right? 48 and 5, 53, 29. 53, 29 minus 289 into 2. 600 almost. So this is 4,700 almost into 3. Sir, this is definitely greater than 14,000. Sir, my answer will be option number B. You see, what did I do? I have just calculated rough. 673 into 74, I have just calculated 73 square, which comes out to be 5329. Using base method, I've done this. Okay. Now, 35 into 17, what I've done? 17, I've taken this 34. 17 square 289, double. Double, I've taken almost a 600. Because you see, because I can see the gap is 4,000, so I can do my like kind of weird calculation. I can do my approximations. So my gap, it is now again difference almost 4,700 into 3, sir. So 47 into 3, it is almost 14,000. So it's nowhere near 10,000. So I can directly say definitely my answer will be 14,000 around that, not 10,000 around. So 100% my answer has to be this. Clear, sir? Kishan, actually I don't want, I tried my best ki I want you like do that calculation now, brother. Chalo. Last couple of questions. From a top of a building, angle of depression of tower. Okay, sir. This is 30. This is 45 degrees. Height of the building is Y. Okay. Height of the tower is X. Okay. Find X. Acha, first things first. This is 45, meaning this side is same. It is right angle isosceles. This is also Y. So that means this is also Y, sir. Right? Now. This is 30. This is 30 degree, meaning, sir, opposite side, this is 1 unit and this is root 3 units. And this particular part will be total is Y, this much is X. So this is Y minus X actually. Now again, can I now say then Y minus X? That means this bit. This is equal to root 3 parts equal to y. So one part will be equal to how much? Root 3 part is equal to y. So 1 will be y by root 3, sir. So this is y divided by root 3. So you just multiply root 3y minus y equal to x. So they are asking, acha, so y common root 3 minus 1 is equal to x, sir. So x by y, this is going to be root 3 minus 1 by 1, right? Acha, I have done a little mistake. This will be root 3x because root 3 will get multiplied to this as well. So this will be root 3 here. Achha, root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Sir, option C will be the answer. But again, I have to do one step to match it. So you just multiply root 3 like over and above. So this denominator will become 3. And if you multiply, root 3 will become 3. 1 will become root 3. So 3 minus root 3 is to like 3. That which is option number 3. That's your correct answer. That is your correct answer, option C, sir. Moving on to the last, I guess this is the last question, right? You see, it is a very simple question. The first or the second property of circle. Sir, PO into OQ, writing it here. PO into OQ for intersecting chords is equal to OR into OS. They're asking OS. So OS will be, put the values, PO 19, OQ 16 by OR 38. So this is 2, this is 8. 8 centimeters, sir. Option number B, that is most definitely your correct answer. And that concludes our 30 questions for this particular mock. Perfect. So that was our mock. I hope it was not very difficult, not too much trouble. I felt like this week's mock was very simple. You should have scored a very good chunk of the numbers. At least the mathematics portion, the quant portion was very much doable. Now, with that being said, sir, thank you so much for joining me, and I will again see you guys, I guess, in the upcoming classes. Advanced maths class is due tomorrow. Again, sorry, the arithmetic class. I will see you guys there. Also, if somebody is new who is thinking about starting the preparation, the Foundation 4.0 course has started. The classes have started from just today. You can feel free to join that. The more details you will find in the website itself or the app, whichever you prefer. So thank you. Take care. Bye bye, everyone. I'll see you guys in the next class.